Smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you.
I'm done prepping my face. Now I will apply primer and I will be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer Hydrating Primer. Next, I will apply foundation and I will be using the Dior Face and Body Foundation, and I will mix it with MAC Studio Radiance Face and Body Foundation as well. Okay, not too bad. Now, I will get my kabuki brush and I will use this to blend my foundation. To make sure there's no brush streak, I will gonna blend it with my beauty sponge. Next, I will apply concealer, and I'm very excited to try this one because I just bought this concealer. This is the Dior Backstage Flash Perfector Concealer. It's this one. Okay, so it looks like this. Now, I will take this brush and I will use it to blend my concealer. I really love this concealer. As you can see, it really brightens up my under eye. Now, I will bronze my face and I will be using the Rare Beauty bronzer sticks in the shade Happy Soul. Then, I will apply a cream blush and I will be using the Rare Beauty Melting Blush. I will let all the creams set first for a few minutes. But meanwhile, I will do my brows, and for my brows, I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. Now, I will set my face and I will be using the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. For my eyes, I will just create a simple eye makeup look. So for my eyeshadow palette, I will be using the Blush Crush from ColourPop. Okay, so first, I will be taking this shade and I will apply it on my entire eyelid. Next, I will be taking this shade and apply it on top of the first shade that we applied. Next, I will be taking this shade and Next, I will also apply this shade on my lower lash line. Next, I will take this glittery liquid eyeshadow and I will apply it in the center of my eyelids. Now, I will create a simple wing line and I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pen as my eyeliner. Now, I will curl my lashes and apply mascara. I will be using the Sephora Big by Definition Waterproof Mascara. Now, I will bronze my face and I will be using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer. Now for my blush, I will be using the NARS Orgasm X Powder Blush. Now for my highlight, I will use the By Mario Soft Glow Highlighter. For my lips, I will use the lip combo from Kylie Jenner Cosmetics. This is their Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade Candy K. And this is the lip liner as well. Then now, I will set everything in place and I will use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So guys, that was it for today's makeup tutorial and this is the final look. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video and I hope you also find this video helpful. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye everyone!